You know exactly what the Source Awards is. Talk about what's the Source Awards. Three or fours love to act young. They don't be wanting to be their age. They gonna be the grandmothers out here talking about, don't call me mama, don't call me granny, call me Nene. No, call me granny, baby, or big mama. Ain't nobody got time for that. Don't you wanna see the boy? See the boy, see the boy. Come and take that powder made it so thick. I should have not listened to y'all because y'all remember the 3K how we was fighting for our life? It's okay, this wintergreen about to thin it right on out. Y'all, I didn't know we had that many color powder makers. Nat's Powder Bomb make color powder. Sweetheart Sarah make color powder. Cleans by K make color powder. By Design make color powder. Who else? I feel like I'm missing somebody. Mine made color powder. So while y'all out here looking for some color powder, there's plenty of ladies out here in these clean top streets that's making it. Go and get you some. Y'all, we joke and troll on this app a lot, but the support be genuine as hell, for real. We just be wanting to have a good time. Oh, Nessa, they here for the bullshit, period. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Shut the fuck up. No, who did I say? Girl, it's giving confusion. I don't know. I really don't know. I said Cleans by K, Sweetheart Sarah. I'm talking about the people that's selling it, that's giving it out. Yeah, she just used it in her live. I'm talking about the people that sell it. She said she don't want them type of problems, baby. She ain't got time for that. Y'all come and get the powder in the live, okay? Thank you. Yeah, BB, I said all their names. Now listen, here, Lindas. I named everybody who made color powder. If I miss somebody, speak up. You hate wintergreen? I love it. Swamp water. It reminds me of my favorite drink. What's my favorite drink, y'all? Let's see who know me. Is it strong? Yeah, it's all in my throat. Throat burning. Long live fat sugar. Throat just burning. And I'm gonna have to dump this tonight, because if I don't, it'll be solid as a rock. I know I'm keeping all these cans. These gonna be all, no edges. Heavy in the streets. Wintergreen, they could never make me hate you. They have been dragging it a little bit here lately, but they could never make me hate you. Ooh, it's OD strong. Ooh. Look at the separation. Yes. Y'all, is it true Salvo going out of stock in the United States? Because if so, I need to stock up. I can't even click my screen. Stupid poll still stuck up there. Sky, you praying on my downfall. Mods, get that hoe up out of here. These 304s prayed on my downfall. Why I get caught cheating back? Period, friend. Sinus is already clear. Y'all hear me over here sniffling to death. And that ain't even all the wintergreen that I purchased. Around here, between Normandy and Weston. Oh, I need to keep the cans in and keep the cans. We call this here a little twin. How many of y'all was in Clean Top Fifth Live the other day? It was a good time. More powder? More powder or squeeze? More powder or squeeze? Oh, I got the puzzle. Y'all want to give me a restriction and the puzzle? Hating much? More powder. Kelly? Where's Latrell? Kelly on the dance floor. Don't dance, Fox Kelly. All right, y'all ready for the squeeze now? It's swamp water. It's Hennessy and Hypnotic. Rolling down the street, smoking window, sipping on gin and juice. Thank y'all for the gifts. I should have put this back on the floor like I had it. This is not for me. I am too damn tall. I'm gonna be tired. Tap and twirl. Y'all want me to do a whole case of powder and then squeeze? Is that what I just seen?